So please describe one of the use cases.
So one of the use cases that TNS is going to offer for the hub services, data hub services, is the ability to apply a unique policy to subscribers that belong to the same CCA member. And depending on the serving network, for example, there may be a serving network that offers more competitive and lower cost wholesale rates versus other members or non-members that in a roaming environment, their wholesale rates are pretty high. So what TNSI will be able to do, or actually for the CCA members, is to apply, for example, a rate limit type of a policy service for when the wholesale rates are too high, then they can throttle or limit the amount of bandwidth utilized for an LTE session, where if the user is roaming on a particular serving network where the wholesale rates are significantly low or competitive, then they can offer a bigger pipe type of service, a higher throughput session, and also offer some content optimization services as part of the hosted LTE session, where the user experience is going to increase. It's going to be much better based on compression, caching, and TCP optimization functionality that's part of the solution. So what we have in this particular demo is a couple of users representing one user getting optimization features, the other one doesn't get any optimization, and also gets a rate limit no more than, say, 5 megabits per second maximum based on the wholesale rates offered by the serving network. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click at the same time. These two users are going to download the same content, but one user without the content services is going to get stalling throughout the playing of the video. 1, 2, 3. So both of the users start pretty much at the same time as far as playing the video. However, the user on the right-hand side, you will see that it's going to be stalling because the content is the original size of the content, which is 140 megabytes worth of content, which adds additional cost to the roaming service, where the optimized user is actually getting a data service where the content is being compressed. And so that means that only 10% of the original video is being downloaded through the data service. Only 10% of the cost would be incurred as opposed to a full cost of roaming service. So that's pretty much it. And also another functionality of the content optimization is pacing, where only the necessary amount of bandwidth is delivered on a per second basis, as opposed to downloading the entire file all at once, which again saves on roaming cost.